In this video, I will show you how to enable automatic updates in Windows 11. Now, there's a couple of settings you're going to want to check to make sure automatic updates is enabled. So the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings. Underneath best match, you should see settings come up. Give that a click and that's going to open up your computer settings. Now from here, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you want to come down and click onto Windows Update, and you want to make sure that automatic updates are enabled from here. Now you can see in my example, my updates are currently paused. So if that's the case for you, make sure to click onto resume updates. And what that's going to do is automatically update your Windows 11 computer or laptop when there's any updates available. Now there's another thing you need to check as well. So if you actually close down your settings from here, what you want to do is come down again to your search box, and in here this time you want to type services. Underneath best match, you should see services come up. Give that a click and that's going to open a window like this. Now from here we want to look for Windows Update. So if you scroll down, it's in alphabetical order, so you want to come down to W. And once you come down to W, you should see a service called Windows Update. So just down here, this is a service that's responsible for automatically updating your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Now from here, what you want to do is double click. It's going to open a window like this. And what you want to do in the startup type is change this to automatic. And another thing you want to do is come up to the top, click onto the recovery tab. And where it says first failure, you want to make sure this is selected to restart the service. And once you've done that, click apply and OK. What you then want to do is double click again onto Windows Update and make sure the service status is showing as running. Now if it shows as stopped on here, you can see there's a start button. So click on start and that's going to start the automatic update feature on Windows 11. So that's how to enable automatic updates in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.